Today I'm going to show you how to replace the Citroen C4 Picasso battery. Okay, we need CR2032 battery and the flathead screwdriver. Okay, first thing first, release the emergency key, press the button to the side. Okay, press the button to the side. Okay, then use the screwdriver, yeah, push the cover up, yeah, the battery's in there. Okay, see the slope in there, just push it up like that. Here's a CR2032 battery. Okay, use the screwdriver again, push the battery out. Okay, replace the battery, this angle in first. Okay, press it down and then line the cover up. Okay, press it down, put the key blade on. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.